Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best copper cookware that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Copper Cookware. We've looked at a variety of options for high-quality copper pots and pans, but in the end, when you purchase the Lagosian Martellotto Hammered Copper Cookware Set, you are getting the best copper cookware at a very reasonable price, along with its reliable lifetime warranty. Of course, if you are shopping for a chef's sugar pan, the Movlim Passion Copper Sugar Saucepan. Number 5. Gotham Steel Hammered Copper Collection. Our award-winning ceramic and titanium coating ensures the ultimate easy release. Everything just slides right off the pan, no need for oil or butter. Solid aluminum core construction. Main features: healthy and non-toxic. Super durable. Ultra non-stick. Number 4. Copper Chef 10-piece cookware set. Scratch-resistant cookware set provides reliable assistance in preparing a full menu for any special occasion. It's good for everything from soups to stews to main dishes. Main features: endless cooking possibilities. Safe and easy to clean. Multifunctional modern design. Number 3. Movil Made in France Passion Copper. Highly regarded in the professional world, with over 170 years of experience, Movil offers several different lines of copper cookware to professional chefs. Main features: unique conical copper handle. Limited lifetime warranty. Attractive copper construction. Number 2. Calphalon Triply Copper 10-piece set. Brushed copper exterior complements both traditional and contemporary decor. Precision fit stainless steel cover seal and heat and moisture. Recommended stovetops, gas, electric, halogen. Main features: non-reactive stainless steel. More durable. Easy to use. Number 1. Cuisinart Triply Copper Cookware Set. Exclusively designed triple-ply material provides superior heat conductivity and even heat distribution to meet the demands of gourmet chefs everywhere. Main features: stainless steel clad construction. Stainless stick handles. Heats around technology. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.